Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's session, we are going to explain how to use networks and what is the use cases of networks. So networks basically use in microservices, like if you are working multiple microservices, then in deployment times by using Dockers, it is created your own virtual container. So you can't access one container data to another container without using network. So by using networks, you can access one container data to another container with another container. So networks, we have multiple commands like create networks, see all the networks which are already created, and check how to create the networks and how to delete the networks. So in this session we will tell you about how to create networks, how to check the networks, and how to delete the networks. I will also show you real-time examples as well. So let's see in our screen. In our screen, first we need to open CMD commands. So for opening the CMD commands, we need to press Windows R button from the keyboard. So I'm going to press Windows plus R button. Here we need to type CMD. Then we need to click OK button. Now you will see one CMD prompt will be open here. Here you need to first clear all the screens. Then by using CLS, then you need to check Podman is up or not. So there is a command Podman machine ls. By using this command, you can check the Podman is currently running or not. In the last of column, you can see it is running. So by using Podman machine ls command, you can check Podman is running or not. So there is another command, that is Podman images. This command used for check all the available images in your local Podman machines. So here only two images are available. So let's see networks, because this is this session is basically designed for the networks purposes. So we are going to tell networks part. So for checking the networks, there is a command which we need to use. So type podman network ls. So once you type podman network ls command, you will see all the available network in here. So right now there is two network available. One is net1 and another one is a podman. Podman is a by default network which is created when podman machine is up. So you can skip this one, and that is the custom created network, that is the net1, that is the custom previous we have previously created this one. So we will also create a new network in here. So let's wait 2 or 3 minutes. So by using podman network ls command, you can see all the available network. And for podman network create and give the network name like net2. So this command is used for create networks. So if we entering it, you will see net2 networks is created. Once let's see that is created or not. So you can see here, now net2 network is also appear in here. So by using create command, you can create any number of networks by using CMD. Docker Compose file we will explain in upcoming videos. First we need to check CMD only. Then you will get the better understanding on the Docker Compose file as well. Here you can see now three networks is appear. One is Podman, another one is a net one, and another one is a net two. So here we need to delete network. So for deleting the network, there is a command that is the Podman network delete Podman network remove rm, and here we need to pass network name like net1. So it will remove after entering it. Now if we are going to checking this network, how many networks are available? Now you will see only two networks will appear. One is Podmine and another one is Net2. So if we are that is the creation part of the network, how to create and how to check and how to delete one. And let's see what is the use cases of network. Let's check how many images currently available. There is two images, so let's pull two images. One is Nginx and another one is a HTTPD. So based on these two images, you can see use cases of networks. So if we are not using network, then one container can't access another container information. So let's run one images, that is the HTTPD. So podman run hyphen d hyphen name. Here we are going to pass httpd, and here we are going to pass image name httpd. Now enter it. You will see currently these images is not available in our local machine, so it is pulling that images and running it. Let's wait few seconds, then you can see. Now it's up by using podman ps command. You can see here that images is running here. Now let's run another images of Nginx so that you can check use cases of networks. Currently HTTPD we are not running any networks, and another images we are going to run on, that is the name of Nginx. Here podman run hyphen d. Here we are passing name as a nginx and passing the image name as well. Here now you can see that images is not available in our local system, so it is pulling images from the global global websites. Now you can see it is also running. Here two images currently running. So let's see. Both two images are running without a network. That is running different network. That is not running on same network. So let's see Podman EXEC IT, and here we are going to inside Nginx and checking able to access HTTPD container data in Nginx container or not. So here we are using curl http colon. Here we are passing httpd colon 880. Now you can see it is only blinking, not giving any response. You can wait or 1 second, 10 second or 1 minute or 1 hour. It will not give any response because it is trying to access outside container data of Nginx. You can see here that is not resolved because we can't access HTTPD container data in Nginx container because both containers are isolated to each other. So by using networks we can access those containers data in here. So let's close, let's exit here and let's stop both container and let's stop both container by using stop command here httpd colon nginx. Now it's stop. Now let's remove all the container, stopped container. Now you can see there is no running container and no stopped container. Now you can see previously we have created one container that is net2. Let's use net2 container and check able to access or not one container data to another container. So here we are passing hyphen hyphen network. Here we need to pass our network name. So here passing net2. Now it's up. Now let's run nginx as well with same step we are going to following. Here we are passing network. Both container must be run on the same network, then you can access one container data to another container. Now here it's also up. By using Podman ps command, you can check here. Now let's go to inside the container of nginx and check we are able to access httpd container data or not. So here we are using Podman exec it and here we need to pass our container name that is nginx. Here ss we need to pass here. Here we need to use curl http colon our container name that is httpd colon 8080 is nothing but that is the port you can see in here. Now enter it. You can see it will give the output. Here you can see it is giving output. It is possible because of networks. So if we are not using networks, then if multiple microservices are deployed by using containers, then one 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 container, one microservices container data can't access to another microservices containers data. So by using network we can resolve this issue. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update in upcoming session. Thank you.